Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTS 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the health monitoring on this device. First, we need to open the Zap app on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on Profile, then select Amazfit GTS 2 from the list of devices, and here we have Health Monitoring. Tap on it. Now, let's tap on Detection Method, and here we can select a few options. We have options like Automatic Heart Rate, Sleep Assistant, and Automatic Heart Rate Detection, and Sleep Assistant. And of course, at the bottom we have Turn Off option. If you select this one, the health monitoring will be disabled. For example, if you select Automatic Heart Rate Detection, here you need to confirm that you are aware that the battery life will be reduced on your watch because of it, but let's tap OK. And now our watch will detect, or rather check our heart rate automatically. And here you can tap on Detection Frequency and select how often it will do it. You have options like 1 minute, 10 minutes, 5 minutes and 30 minutes. I'm gonna select 10 minutes for example. Below we have Activity Detection. You can enable this option. What this option does is basically if you start exercising, the watch will detect it and increase the detection frequency of your heart rate to make the results more accurate. And below we have Heart Rate Alert. You can enable this option, and here then you can tap on Alert Value and select the value. For example, if you select 145, if your heart reaches this value, you will get the alert on your watch that you should calm down or stop exercising and cool off, basically lower your heart rate. And below the alert value we have all day stress monitoring. Basically the watch will measure your stress every 5 minutes. You can enable it. Of course you need to tap OK right here. And at the bottom we have sleep reading quality monitoring. And if you sleep with your watch on your wrist, you can basically enable this option and it's gonna monitor your sleep breathing quality. Okay, that's all about the heart rate monitoring. We can tap on Detection Method right here. And we have another option, Sleep Assistant. You can select it and tap OK. And this option will detect your heart rate, I believe, and also track your sleep. If you're gonna sleep with your watch, you can go back to home page in the Zap app. So let's go back to home page. Here you will have sleep score. You can tap on it. And if you're sleeping with your watch and you have a sleeping assistant enabled, you will get the statistics here. You will see how long you slept, if you entered the REM phase, for how long did you enter the deep sleep phase, my bad, and how long were you in the light sleep phase, and other things like how often you wake up, for how long, and stuff like that. And you can track this data right here to see how well you sleep at night. Okay, let's go back to health monitoring options and tap on the detection method. Last option right here is Automatic Heart Rate Detection and Sleep Assistant, and this is the both functions enabled at the same time. And of course, like I said before, to turn it off, simply select Turn Off. And that's how you enable the health monitoring on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.